App development is the process of creating software applications for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. These apps can be built for Android, iOS, and for both platforms using cross-platform tools. In cross-platform apps made with technologies like Flutter or React Native, allowing one codebase to run on both iPhone and Android. Native apps are known for speed and smooth performance, while cross-platform apps are faster and cheaper to build. Developers choose based on the project's needs, time, and budget. Every app starts with the vision. First comes design, creating the user interface, choosing colors, planning the flow, and making sure the app feels intuitive. This is where UI and UX designers bring ideas to life. Then developers step in. They write the code that makes the app work, build features, and connect it to databases, and integrate things like login systems, notifications, maps, or payment gateways. Behind every simple app, there's a lot of logic and engineering. Before launching apps go through testing, bugs are removed, designs are refined, and performance is polished to ensure a smooth user experience. Only after this is the app ready for the App Store or Google Play Store. App development doesn't end at launch. Developers keep updating apps, adding new features, improving security, and responding to user feedback. This ongoing cycle is what keeps your favorite apps fresh and engaging. In today's digital world, app development isn't just about coding. It's about solving problems, creating experiences, and connecting people. From small startups to global giants, apps are shaping the way we live, work, and communicate.